Cooper & Hunter presents For Cold States Only. Protect your home from extreme summers and winters with a mini-split system as your main source of cooling and heating. Cooper & Hunter Hyperheat systems can accommodate up to 5 zones, which work independently, so no energy is wasted on unoccupied spaces. While conventional mini-splits lose efficiency as outdoor temperatures drop, Cooper & Hunter's Hyperheat option upholds its capacity even in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit, with 25% higher efficiency than conventional heat pumps. Our super silent heat pump systems offer more than 50 combinations by mixing and matching a wide variety of single-zone, multi-zone, and light commercial outdoor units with wall mounts, slim ducts, mini floor consoles, universal floor ceiling types, and ceiling cassettes. Check for your customized mini-split system on MEEP's Cold Climate Air Source Heat Pump list, or see if it qualifies for other cold state rebates. Cooper & Hunter's Hyperheat systems keep you warm in winter and cool in hot summer months, making it an ideal solution for every season. Cooper and Hunter Comfort Innovations.
Sure, we're used to soaring electric bills in summertime, but what if you could save with Comfort Innovations? Cooper and Hunter mini-split air conditioners consume 40% less energy than centralized ducted systems. With Wi-Fi controls, you can easily adjust settings from room to room, anytime, anywhere. Comfort for every member of the family.
Imagine an air conditioner that was smart, an AC that could maximize your comfort and save energy. Meet the Senville Smart Mini Split Air Conditioner that works with Alexa, an intuitive and intelligent mini split AC that will save you up to 40% on your energy costs. With all the energy savings, it makes switching to a smart mini split AC a no-brainer. Control your AC from anywhere using the Alexa app on your mobile phone. You can even set routines like timers, sleep schedules, or other triggers to optimize your energy consumption and comfort. Use geolocation to automatically adjust the temperature when you leave or arrive at home for perfect climate control. The Senville Smart Mini Split AC is easy to use and can be voice controlled from any Alexa device. With Alexa built in, there's no need for any third-party apps. Start saving money and energy today with the Senville Smart Mini Split AC.
The MrCool DIY Multi-Zone now comes in 2 zones. It's part of the 4th generation of MrCool DIY products, featuring higher SEER ratings, an industry-leading warranty, and several quality-of-life improvements. But what the 2-zone offers most of all is a system fit perfectly for your space, with no unused BTUs, because this system is designed, built, and priced just for your 2-zone needs. Featuring upgraded DIY Pro cables, redesigned to increase protection against weather, animals, and weekend warriors alike. And with MrCool's patented pre-charge line sets, it remains America's only true do-it-yourself install. Plus, our 4th Gen products come with the best warranty in the industry. Lifetime compressor, 7-year unit replacement, and 5-year parts warranty. So you can rest easy and comfy with a MrCool DIY product for years to come. To find out more about our 4th generation DIY products, visit MrCoolDIY.com. MrCool, comfort made simple.
It's no fun when your air conditioner keeps on fluctuating with low air cooling or comes with high energy bills and maintenance costs due to frequent breakdowns. Waiting to control your temperature settings until you reach your home can sometimes be frustrating. While all of these problems may seem to be quite a challenge, with Senville Mini Split Air Conditioner's DC inverter technology, these problems will become a thing of the past. Enjoy comfort cooling with 0 temperature fluctuations and built-in dehumidification and fan functions at all times. Save up to 15 to 20% of your energy costs with eco-friendly and high-efficient inverter technology. Control your room temperature settings on the go with Mini Split Air Conditioner Smart Remote Control technology. Lastly, save on high maintenance costs with a technology that powers the ductless system to touch high SEER rates. Bring the Senville Mini Split Air Conditioner home and start saving today. Senville.ca